Alright. There's the new gutters they used to dump out here and flood this whole area and up there. Now they both come out here. I don't want this to impede on the driveway. So I'm going to have to cut this thing so I can bring this out. Because I get a little washout here because we got a rain. You see this is all from the roof line. But everything is good. We're going to till it up. And then we'll throw down some organite. Got a little more washout. Right along here we got some washout. Right here we definitely got some washout. And all along this area. Right here we got a low spot. We got some grass poking in, it's not a big deal. Because we got a high spot over here. That's causing all this to flood. So we gotta take down that high spot. Right here, all right here. Bring back some dirt this way. And in this area right here we got some washout because it's low. And then we had an issue over here. Because we rerouted this to come over here because this whole thing was flooding. So now we have this issue where it floods in this area. So we gotta dig a hole, dig a trench. Just gonna run it pretty much right under this little line of wood. We dig this temporary trench. Dig a trench this way, and then right underneath this wood, we're gonna put gravel, perforated pipe, and then we'll cut the concrete curb out there to let it get out of the yard. And then once we till this and do all that stuff, all this grass will be out of here. Then we'll throw more topsoil down and we'll organite and till it up again, and then we'll seed. And hopefully a nice, perfectly looking lawn. Yeah, no more washout hopefully after that one. But it's kind of hard with this driveway or this pathway, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it does pitch down, but it also pitches out, and there's no side to either side of this, so I might have to add brick along the side, some stone underneath, and then if I do that, it'll at least channel it the fuck out of there. But it's just a waste with how crappy this concrete is when it has to be done anyway. But you gotta do what you gotta do. That's why they call me the lawn father. They call me the lawn father around here.